Dear farmers, today I have come to a farmer's mango orchard. This year we got excellent rain, and as a result the growth of the tree is very good and the leaves have come up very well and the leaves are quite mature also. In some gardens new leaves have come right now because of late rains. This year, because of good rains, we expect an excellent mango season. We are bound to get very good yield this year because the trees have put up very good leaves and good food storage is there in the plants. You can see in some of the trees which have completed their vegetative phase, the leaves have grown very well and enough food is there in the plant. Such trees have already started flowering. You can see in this tree, the flowering has started. And in such cases, the fruits will mature very nicely. Enough time is there. And now if this fruit sets in, and during the mild winter in the southern Indian conditions, it will have enough time for the fruits to grow well and accumulate photosynthetes and produce good size, good color fruits. Why I have come here today is specifically to tell you what you should do to get an excellent crop this year. See, the leaves have grown up very well and it is time that you should go for leaf analysis. So leaf analysis I have shown in my earlier video that you can select matured 3 to 4 months old leaves like this, and then along with the petiole you collect. This kind of collection you must do it along with petiole. In a garden of 1 acre, you collect leaves from 30 to 40 trees and pool them. Some 100 leaves you can pool them and take a subsample and send it to the nearest laboratory for analysis. Preferably, you send it to IIHR Bangalore for analyzing the leaf nutrient content. On the recommendation of this IIHR soil testing laboratory, you apply the required nutrients. Particularly, I have come to this farmer's field to show you that what precautions you have to take to get a very good crop this year. That is, you have to apply enough organic material to the trees, keep the garden very clean like this. Don't allow leaves or weeds to come. Here you see in the basin, the weeds are still there. You must remove the weeds and then mulch with the same weed. Doesn't matter. It will cover the soil and produce excellent manure after its decomposition. Now, after this, you apply recommended fertilizers and particularly go for Mango Special developed by IIHR for spraying micronutrients. Micronutrients are very much essential for maintaining good quality of the fruit, good size of the fruit and good color of the fruit. So you must go for spraying of IIHR Mango Special. Particularly, this is the time you must go for first spray of micronutrient. So in some other garden you may have zinc deficiency, you may have boron deficiency. You go for leaf analysis and get it corrected. Go for micronutrient special, that is Mango Special developed by IIHR, and this is the season for first spray. After fruit set, maybe by January end, you will get fruit set. After fruit set, when the fruit becomes pea size, then go for another spray of Mango Special. And when the fruit is lemon or little more than lemon size, go for third spray of micronutrient. This will give you an excellent plant nutrition and helps in getting excellent good quality fruits. In addition to that, farmers who are growing Alfonso, Badami like varieties, and even in Dasheri where you get jelly stones, jellyfish, jelly pulp kind of disorder. Alfonso and Badami, you will get spongy tissue disorder. IAHR has developed excellent Arka Sakanivarak solution for this. Go for Arka Sakanivarak spray when the fruit size is lemon and above. Using that, you can control spongy tissue and jelly flesh in Dasheri, spongy tissue in Alfonso and Badami. So if you do these things, you will get excellent crop. I am sure because of excellent rain this year, you will get excellent mango crop. You are sure to get flower this year. You are sure to get very good fruit set. No, not much of insect and diseases are seen. And take care of hopper and particularly powdery mildew. You will get excellent mango crop. Should you require mango special or any other advice for getting excellent crop of mango, you can contact me anytime. My number is 944 981 6282. 944 981 6282. You can also log into solofkrishi.com, where you can get all kind of advices. Namaskar.